Hello my dear students, in this video I am going to talk to you some of the most important things regarding the NRI implementation. The National Recruiting Agency is going to conduct common eligibility test for certain examinations of the Tier 1. So this NRI will be implemented for the Tier 1 only, okay? So students, a lot of people were asking me regarding the date in which NRI will be implemented because due to this COVID situation and all exams have been postponed, and so students were asking me, will the examinations will after this will be conducted via NRI? Will NRI take over the examinations? So students, if you have already applied for the post and all anything like that, it's all going to take place according to the traditional manner only. No, NRI is not going to conduct the examination. But later on, in few weeks back, NRA, the notification has been released that NRA will be conducting the examination from September 2021. But due to the situation and all the exams that are postponed will be conducted as per the traditional method only. So a lot of students were asking me that. So that's why I have thought of saying some extra points also regarding this NRI, whether it is going to benefit you or is it going to make your preparation difficult. So how to prepare accordingly, everything will be done. Then regarding the syllabus for the NRI, I will be making a special video on that. Also, some of the students were asking me whether the NRI will replace the UPSC examination, RBI grade B and all. Students, it's not going to take place, okay? Only examinations like SBI, IBPS, SSC, and these level of examination. And it's only implemented for the Tier 1. If there's Tier 2 and Tier 3 for the examination, there will be definitely examination for Tier 2 and Tier 3, and that will be conducted by the respective authority itself. So currently, government job seekers appear for multiple examinations conducted by multiple agencies. So this is you are going to benefit after the implementation of the NRA, because after this NRA is coming, uh, i- after this NRA is implementing, you can write for all the examinations. It's a common eligibility test, and according to the present notification, for 1 year, there will be two examinations conducted, 6 months and another 6 months. So the higher score which you are gaining will be your current score. That is how the NRI is going to play a role. So whether it is going to make you more easier or more difficult, that all can be known only after the implementation. So there are a lot of people who are saying it is going to be good, who is going to be bad, but I cannot say anything like that because we have to implement it. Some examinations must go on, then we can identify whether it is going to be how it's going to be good for you or bad for you, or if you are preparing, is it going to make your preparation dull or anything like that. So students, what I have to say is that education never goes waste. Is your preparation never goes waste. It will help you in one way or another. That's what I am saying from the very beginning. Candidates pay repetitive fees, travel great distances to recruitment centers several times a year. So that burden will be definitely be removed. So I know some of the candidates from our channel itself that they have examination in one state and they have to travel to another state to write the examination because the center is only available there. So all these kinds of problems will be avoided once the NRI examination is going to be conducted, because they are saying that in almost all the regional places these centers will be available and you do not have to travel long distances. NRI will remove these pain points with a common admission test for the Tier 1 exam for multiple government posts. So students, hope you have got it. I have already told that NRA will reduce burden on candidates as also on respective recruitment agencies. As you know, students, when these agencies start recruiting, they spend a lot of money in conducting the examinations, and also it is definitely a burden for them because each time they have to conduct the examination from their own side itself. But the NRA, that's going to remove that, and the respective agencies will also be benefited. The standard curriculum and degree of difficulty, that is what I am going to explain to you now. The degree of difficulty. So students, before that I have to say that this NRI examination will be conducted in multiple Indian languages. So you can select the choice of your language and appear for the examination based on CET score. Final selection to be made through separate specialized Tier 2 or Tier 3 examinations conducted by respective recruitment agency. That I have already told you. I will be giving you an example. If you are taking SSC CGL examination, so Tier 1 may be taken will be conducted by the NRA, and Tier 2 and Tier 3 will be conducted by the SSC authority. So that's how it works. That's what saying in this point. The CET score of a candidate will be valid for 3 years. Best available score during 3 years will be the current score. Hope you are getting it. So no restriction on number of attempts by the candidate. Subject to upper age limit as prescribed. Relaxation in upper age limit to be given to candidates of SSC, ST, OBC or PWD candidates as per the traditional method. As per the previous times and all. So there is no change in that, and also they are saying that if the examinations are conducted by the NRA, it reduces the time taken for the selection process. Also, it mitigates hardships for candidates from appearing in multiple exams of multiple agencies. I know if you are want to appear for a particular examination, you have to apply it, you have to pay the fees, and things will be going like that. But this single examination is going to nullify all those things. And with the similar eligibility conditions examinations, you can appear for the uh, examinations. The CET to be conducted at over 1,000 centers. Every district will have at least one exam center, including the 117 aspirational districts. So better access to rural underprivileged candidates and women. So this is definitely going to help those people who are living in rural areas, also underprivileged candidates and women. So they do not have to travel more distances, they do not have to spend a lot of money. So a lot of benefits are there like that. Candidates can schedule test and choose center of their choice. So the CET scores can be shared with central government, state government, union territories, PSUs and private sector. Would also help such organization in saving cost and time spent on recruitment. Hope you are getting all those things. So initially the NRA to conduct CET twice a year. Registration of applicants, generation of roll numbers or admit cards, display or mark, merit list, etc. will be done online. Bulk of the candidates will be screened out during CRT. So that is a very important point. A lot of candidates will be screened out during the CET. So you must score mark like that. So please do not worry about the students. Prepare more, hard work more and more. Study well. Then there is nothing like whether you are writing NRI or you are writing the traditional method exam. It's not going to affect you at all. If you study well, it doesn't matter what or be the kind of examinations. If you want to clear it, have a willpower, you will definitely clear the examination. The medium of writing will be a multiple choice objective type question paper. It's almost in all Taiwan examinations, it's usually objective questions, and it's also same here, the objective type questions. There is no descriptive type or any other things like that. The number of candidates appearing in the specialized exams will get reduced to nearly 5% of the total number of candidates. So hope you are getting that what they are meaning by that. You have to understand the bulk screening that the NRI is going to make. Only 5% of the candidates will be clearing to the next stage. So there will be competition. You have to work hard. Then that is all for this video. So in the upcoming video, I will be making important video regarding the NRI, the syllabus and all, some of the preparation and related topics and all. And also you can comment down on the comment section what all things you need, whether you need classes or important information, updates. So I will be doing that. So for the time being, I am ending this video. Thank you.